Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome back to the TMP Finance channel, where we make long and short-term investing simple. Today's going to be a very quick video just talking about the two different scenarios that we're going to see in the market, whether you are bullish or bearish in the current market, and what you can expect for a move higher or a move lower. So if you are looking to get those day trades ready, or if you are looking to find the perfect bottom for you to buy into your TFSA or your long-term investing accounts, this is perfect for you. So let's take a quick look. Fear and greed is still an extreme fear at 21. The heat map is looking like a forest over here. It's kind of pretty, you know, all green. Haven't seen that in a little while. Everything's rebounding here. And the question right now is the stock market at a bottom? Are we making a move higher from here? Well, let's take a look at the two different scenarios. The first one being the bullish scenario, as that's the most talked about one today. Right now, as on my chart here, we did break through this resistance over here. And that's a great sign, right? If you are going higher, you are looking for that move to break through resistances. Right now, what I want to see for more confirmation is I want to see a break of the support, because right now we could be in a range, right? We are stuck between these lines here, right? Just like that, and we could be in a range. So I want to see a break of the support level, and from there you are looking for a move up to 20,700, as this could be a very zoomed in picture of a long-term bear trend where you do have that lower high. So this could be a lower high rejection where we come down and move past our previous support or our current support and move down past the previous one, like this support over here, which I think is a very strong contender for support or for even a reversal at that point, because we did have this all-time high stall out over here on this line, and we also had some very strong rejections off of this support here as well, which brought us to all-time highs. So I imagine there's going to be a lot of buyers looking to buy over here, and that is the bullish scenario. So that's the short-term bullish scenario. If you are going for a long and you are permeable, you are looking to have a smaller position and a wider stop loss to give yourself a little bit more room. And especially if you have a trailing stop loss, you aren't being too aggressive and you're just kind of pulling it back slowly and slowly and slowly until we make those all-time highs up there. So that is what you are looking for if you are a bull. Another good sign too is I do see a bit of an engulfing candle here, and it's not crazy volume, but speaking about volume, we do have sellers drawing up here in the QQQ. We can see that the volume here is dropping, meaning that, you know, sellers are not having enough momentum to keep up the current trend. And then we do have a green candle here, right? So who knows, maybe that is the reversal there. Again, I am looking for more confirmation if I am a bull. Now, as a bear, this is what I'm looking for too. If we zoom back to 2024, when we had this crazy pullback in August, we did have something very similar, but on kind of a more exaggerated sense, I guess, where we had this kind of consolidation, right? Some sweeps trying to get lower where they rejected, and that's when you had this huge engulfing candle. And this is even more bullish. This is a more bullish pattern to me, even than what we have going on here, and that still got rejected, and people still lost a lot of money once they saw a new higher high here. So that is what I am looking for as well if you are a bear. So that could be part of a pattern. Again, this could be just a rejection of this resistance line up here, as this is a very strong resistance and it acted as a support for us since 2022 when we exited the bear market. So maybe it's just a major retest until we get pushed down lower. We're still below all of our moving averages as well. And yeah, that is what I'm looking for as a bear. So if you are a bear, you are looking for a rejection of this support line here, or this resistance line, and a flush all the way down to the 18,300 support line all the way down here. If you do take a look into a smaller time frame too, just to see what's happening on kind of the intraday price action, let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. And you can see here clear as day that this is really just a consolidation, right? You do have a definite bottom where the market has been bouncing off of, and you also have a pretty good rejection spot here where the market hasn't really been able to get passed through. So I am looking for more confirmation, and I believe that you should too, unless you are placing a position for the long term. And again, your position is very small, and you got to be willing to have a very generous stop loss, right? Where you're not getting stopped out too soon, especially in a ranging market. If you are looking for more support when it comes to trading and investing, come take a look at the link in the description at wap.com/tmpfinance, where you'll get access to our Discord server, where I give off trade alerts for all of our trades, where we're taking a look at also hot stock picks every single month, and where you can get free one-on-one sessions with me asking about anything when it comes to clarification in the stock market and how to be a better trader. So it's a fantastic tool, and it's very automated. Even if you are just, you want to have a way of passive income and have someone do all the analysis for you and just tell you when to get in and when to get out. So if you are looking for that tool, the S&P 500 is currently down 3.91% year to date. Majority of investors are losing money in today's market. However, in the TMP Finance channel, we are currently up 10.5% before leverage. So if you are looking to take advantage of trading, again, of your time in the stock market, come take a look at the link in the description. And until next week, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you then. Peace out, y'all.